welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial by how to make oatmeal cookies. So first you do half a cup of butter, then half a cup of sugar, and then half a cup of powdered brown sugar. Now I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Mix it very good. So now I'm going to add an egg, one egg. And then half a cup of flour. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now mix it all together. Mix it all together until a doughy consistency. So now you need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix it all together. Until a doughy consistency. Now the most important ingredient is 1.5 cups of oatmeal. Now mix together well. Two optional steps you could do is either add chocolate chips or raisins to the mixture. So now get 1 tablespoon and then get your mixture and put it in the tablespoon and then put it in the tablespoon. And now make it into circles. Okay. I'm making circles, I'm putting them in the baking tray. Now put the oatmeal cookie dough in the fridge for 15 minutes, so then it will be better when you put it in the oven. And also, make your oatmeal cookies like make the space not too close to each other, so when they bake, they won't connect. After you take it out of the fridge for 15 minutes, then you put it in the oven at 375 degrees and bake it for 10 minutes. I also made chocolate and raisin cookies. Cookies are ready, and then let it cool for some time so then you can eat it.